Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to mount your wakeboard bindings onto your board. Let's get started. First, you're going to need to grab the board that you're going to use. The hole that you're going to put your bindings in depends on how wide your stance is. They need to be equally distanced from the center. I like to put mine one end. The second step is to place the bindings onto your board. The hole in the side of the bindings will match up with the hole that you chose earlier. You'll also need the screws that came with the bindings. The angle of the bindings on your board depends on how experienced of a rider you are. If you're a beginner, you should see a number 12, and that's what you should put yours at. I ride at 15, and that's a little more angled outward. The final step is to screw your bindings in. I'm going to screw my bindings in on both sides at the number 15. For beginner, number 12. Refrain from using power tools because of the risk of stripping your board. And just like that, your bindings are now onto your board. Have fun and feel free to like and subscribe. See you next time.